Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your hotel business. If you run a hotel, then manually responding to all the queries related to pricings and room availability can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI assistant which will respond to all of these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI assistant that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me show you how it works, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the AI assistant, we have to send a message that says, "Hey, I need help." I'm going to send it. And our AI assistant responds us with, "Of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with?" Here I'm asking, what services and amenities does your hotel offer? And our AI assistant responds us with, "Our hotel offers variety of services and amenities to ensure a comfortable stay, including spacious and well-furnished room with Wi-Fi and air conditioning, an in-house restaurant serving multiple cuisines, complimentary breakfast, 24/7 front desk and room service, airport pickup and drop on request, conference and event facilities, a gym and swimming pool." Next, I'm going to ask another question that says, "How can I book a room at your hotel?" And our chatbot responds us with, "Booking a room at our hotel is easy. You can call our front desk to reserve your room, visit our website to book directly using our online booking system, message us on WhatsApp with your travel details, room type, and any special request. We will confirm your booking promptly and assist you with any questions. If you need further assistance, just let me know." So here I'm going to ask another question. Why should I choose your hotel for my stay? And our AI assistant responds us with, "You should choose our hotel for several reasons: comfortable rooms, primary location, exceptional hospitality, hygienic environment, and competitive pricing. We aim to ensure your stay is comfortable, convenient, and pleasant. If you have more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask." So this is the AI assistant that we have created for our hotel. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now, to create an AI assistant, we have to access the feature AI Assistant, click on it, And then to create a new AI assistant, click on Add AI Assistant. Here we have to provide assistant name. So here I'm going to say Hotel Assistant, and then I'm going to click on Add AI Assistant. And it will redirect us to this page, and here we have to select instruction type. So here we get a list of all the instruction types. You can select any type. I'm going to select AI agent, and here we will get all the primary function and constraints, and then we can set the temperature. It says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So from here we can set the creativity. I'm going to set it at 0.6. Select AI to use. So I'm going to select OpenAI, and then as AI model I'm going to select GPT 4.0 mini. Here we have to add API token, and to generate an API token we have to visit OpenAI API keys page. Click on it and you will be redirected to OpenAI platform. And here we get a list of all the previously created API keys. To create a new one, you have to click on Create New Secret Key. Here you have to provide your secret key name. Here I'm going to provide Hotel Assistant, and I'm going to leave the project settings as default. And then I'm going to click on Create Secret Key. And here we get this secret key. Copy this and paste it here. And simply click on Connect, and it will respond with OpenAI key saved successfully. Now we can move further ahead with AI Assistant settings. So if you want to provide a header or footer message, enable this toggle, and here you can enter your header. Simply, if you want a footer message, enable this toggle and provide your footer message here. You can also provide stop keywords, which will stop AI from responding, and retry attempts. I'm going to leave it all in default settings, and here we get this fallback message. You can customize it as per your needs. Next, I'm going to move ahead with knowledge source. Here we have to upload a file of knowledge source. Make sure the file size is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. So here I'm going to drag my knowledge source like this. And here our knowledge source is uploaded. It says file uploaded and processed successfully. Make sure that your knowledge base has all the details regarding your business, because our AI assistant will curate responses according to this knowledge source only. So now I'm going to move ahead with assistant interface. Here we have to provide our brand name. So here I've provided my header display heading name as luxury hotel. It will appear here. And here is the header display subheading name as we are online and happy to assist you, which will appear here. You can customize it as per your needs, and here is the first initial message that our chatbot will respond us with. You can add another message as, hey, I'm here to assist. And to register it, you simply have to tap on enter. And your initial message will appear here. I'm going to remove it, and here it says display the powered by Pabbly label. So here you can see it displays powered by Pabbly label. If you want to remove it, you simply have to select disable from the drop down, and it will remove the Pabbly label. Here you can also customize the privacy policy. So here I'm going to add my hotel policy like this. Here you can add link to your hotel policy. And this is a very important message because this will be the message which will activate our AI assistant. So here I'm going to customize it as, hey, I need help. And once the user sends this message, our AI bot will be activated. Now we are going to move ahead with our last setting as styling. So here we get the option to change the theme. So you can select dark theme if you want. I'm going to keep it light themed. From here you can select assistant shape as circle, square or rounded square. Here you can select assistant background color or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. You can even change header profile picture that appears here and assistant profile picture. And you can even change the background picture from here. And once you're done with all the customizations of your AI assistant, you can enable this toggle, which will make your AI assistant active and fully functional. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done with all of your customizations, you can save your AI assistant from here. And once the AI assistant is saved successfully, you are good to go. Your AI assistant will provide automated responses to all of your clients on your behalf without even lifting a finger. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.